The Redmi 6 series of budget smartphones have just been launched by Xiaomi in India. Out of the 3 phones launched, we have the Redmi 6 Pro with us. Let's see what comes in the box. The front of the box is quite a crowded space with the Redmi 6 Pro's different color options, Mi logo, name of the phone and more. On the back, there's a lot of reading material as well, if that's what interests you. There are some major specs mentioned, but we'll get to that once we are done with the unboxing. We are as curious as you are to see what it comes with. On opening the box, the first thing you see is the phone itself, with the sticker boasting the specs covering the screen of the phone. Turn it around and there's a vertical dual camera setup and a fingerprint sensor. There are some more stickers here, let's just peel them off. So much better. Now we'll just put the device to boot and keep it aside. Below the phone is another box. Let's open that up and inside there are the usual documents and a soft TPU case. Next comes a power cable. Then the power brick. And finally, there's the SIM eject tool. Alright, so here's everything you get in the Redmi 6 Pro box at a glance. The Redmi 6 Pro runs MIUI 9 on top of Android 8 Oreo and sports a 5.84-inch Full HD Plus display with a 19:9 aspect ratio and a display notch. The handset is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 SoC coupled with 3GB or 4GB of RAM and 32GB or 64GB of onboard storage, depends on the variant you pick. The Redmi 6 Pro sports a dual rear camera setup with a 12MP primary sensor and a 5MP secondary sensor paired with f2.2 aperture. There's also PDAF and a LED flash to go with it. On the front, it has a 5MP camera for selfies. All this is powered by a 4000 mAh battery under the hood. The Redmi 6 Pro price in India has been set at 10,999 rupees for the 3GB RAM, 32GB storage model. The 4GB RAM and 64GB storage option comes in at 12,999 rupees. It will be sold via mi.com and Amazon India starting 12 PM September 11. We have full specifications, launch offers and more for you on gadgets360.com, so please be sure to check that out. Of course, for more phone unboxings, first impressions, reviews and features, do subscribe to us at Gadgets360. Thanks for watching.